Hello everyone. This will be our fourth video on how to integrate for sales directors multi-agent systems with AI to make their job easier.
Hi. In the previous videos, I was quite surprised by the possibilities of the multi-agent system, especially the financial impact. But today I want to better understand that agent you mentioned for meetings. I have a hard time imagining how an AI can bring value in something as human as a conversation.
Good question. That is precisely why this agent is so interesting. The meeting recording and analysis agent does not replace human interaction, but enhances it. Its main function is to capture, transcribe, analyze, and extract value from any meeting, be it with customers, partners, suppliers, or even internal between teams. The idea is to free participants from the burden of remembering or writing everything down, so they can focus on listening, participating, and making decisions in real time.
Capturing and transcribing meetings? Isn't that like recording them with a cell phone?
Recording is just the beginning. This agent uses advanced speech recognition technologies to transcribe in real time or after the meeting, and it does so with a surprising level of accuracy, even identifying the different interlocutors. But what's really powerful is what comes next. It analyzes the content of the conversation using natural language processing, NLP, to identify key issues, commitments, objections, opportunities, risks, and even the customer's emotional tone. It's not just a record, it's a source of strategic intelligence.
Why eso lo hace automáticamente?
Yes, absolutely. For example, if a customer mentions that he has questions about maintenance schedules or hints that he is considering other offers, the agent detects it. It can tag that part of the conversation, generate an automatic summary of the key points, and propose follow-up tasks that are shared among the relevant teams. In addition, you can identify patterns if such comments are repeated among several customers.
And are these tasks integrated into any system?
Exactly. They can be automatically sent to the CRM, ERP, a task manager, or even another agent in the system. For example, if the customer suggests a service extension, the business opportunity agent can be triggered to generate a customized proposal. This reduces response time and improves the customer experience significantly.
Does this also work with face-to-face meetings?
Yes, and that is one of its great advantages. There are two main options. You can record the meeting, with consent of course, using a simple device or app connected to the system. You can even use a microphone in the room that sends the signal directly to the agent in the cloud. If you decide to go with the hybrid model, a human attends in person, takes notes or records, and then uploads that information to the agent, who performs the subsequent analysis. In both cases, the quality of the analysis is maintained, and it adapts to any context.
Okay, and what kind of results do I get after each meeting?
I will summarize it in 4 key elements, but with a wealth of information that was simply not possible before. Automatic summary of the meeting with key points and agreements, delivered in text, and if you want in audio or visualized as a mind map, alerts, if signs of risk, disinterest, or potential conflicts are detected, with suggestions on how to address them, opportunities detected, such as new services, customer needs, unresolved issues, or cross-collaboration possibilities, suggested tasks for the commercial or technical team, with automatic assignments and prioritization according to urgency and impact.
Now that's useful. Many times we leave a meeting thinking it went well, but then we realize that we forgot a key detail or that no one followed up. And worse, we have no objective way to verify what was said.
Exactly. This agent makes sure that nothing gets lost. And it's not only useful for follow-up, but also for internal training. You can review past meetings, spot best practices, compare results, and understand what worked and what didn't. You can even use excerpts from real meetings to train new employees.
And this can also be used in internal meetings?
Yes, and with a great deal of value. For example, in follow-up committees, business meetings, project planning, quarterly reviews. The agent detects improvements suggested by the team, operational blockages, decisions that were not executed, and even repetition of unresolved problems. It also helps reduce the number of unnecessary meetings. When you have accurate summaries and traceability, you don't need to repeat meetings as much.
Why do esto lo puedo supervisar yo directamente?
Of course, if you choose a hybrid model, you or someone on your team can receive reports, summaries, and alerts. You can filter them by importance, by topic, by client, or by type of meeting. Or, if you prefer to delegate it, an external supervisor can filter the information and deliver only the most relevant information to you with a strategic vision. In addition, you can set up dashboards to visualize trends or track key indicators related to meetings.
This makes me think that many important decisions that are born in meetings could be much better grounded.
Totally. This agent converts meetings into actionable information, and when integrated with the other agents in the system, it allows agile, collaborative decision-making based on real data without relying on memory, paper notes, or Monday morning mail. It is like having a collective intelligence that does not forget and learns over time.
I think this agent improves commercial efficiency and internal management at the same time. It seems to me that this agent improves commercial efficiency and internal management at the same time. What will we see in the next video?
In the following video, we will talk about the internal surveys and continuous improvement agent, because if we really want to evolve, we must also listen to those inside the company. You will see how this agent detects blockages, opportunities, and improvement proposals directly from your team. It will be a key piece to build an organizational culture based on active listening and continuous improvement.
Perfect. If I want to contact someone to clarify a more specific question, who can I contact?
You can contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacarrata via LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process and will be able to clarify any other doubts you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can help improve sales managers' functions.